Hi Barbie, all this stuff right here, yeah, that's all straight from Google. That has nothing to do with me actually. What we do is we just take a look at okay, when you load in a search bar from Google, it has its own style. It loads it from the Google server. If you did a Firebug on it to check its path, it all comes from Google. The only way we can have a customized look and feel to match the template is by overriding those styles, which is what we do here. So basically all I'm going to do is go into, I've got a fresh copy of the style sheet. Okay, I'm going to go in and grab everything from within the Google search. All this code in here, that's all Google styles. It has nothing to do with us. We just take a look at their existing styles and then we overwrite them with what you see here, and then we use the important because the search is actually loaded in last. So all this stuff here that's commented out, that's the reason why. And I think we talked about that before. I thought you wanted to have the original one, gave you information, boom, index page. Let's have a look. Oh, I've got a site setting. Yeah, so I noticed your template DWT was not updating your pages. As you mentioned, they were broken, and the links in here are also kind of broken here. So let me just have a full screen slider. Yeah, it's the only way to fix this is by hand, so I'm just going to go through this and fix this for you. Okay, just so you know, I'm going through each page looking for the .. library, which is the broken link, and I'm just hitting replace, and I'm just replacing them all with the proper, and I'm doing it individually so I can look and see just to make sure. So just so you know what I'm doing is I'm finding any .. library in case I miss anything when I send it back, and I'm just replacing it with a library link. So basically I'm updating the path manually to the library pages because they're in editable regions, right? Something's in an editable region. Yeah, so you did have your styles sort of commented out in the style sheet there, and I think we talked about that before. And yeah, the logo height should be about 100 pixels. So if you want to keep the menu the way it works, the way it was intended to work with the sort of appear, disappear. Anyways, I'm almost done here. Then I won't mess with that. I'll take a look at the logo size and resize it so it fits perfectly, and then I'll send a zip file back to you. I just want to make sure everything works here first. So I'm not sure how it'll go broken there, so I need to save this or save everything. Okay. Right, so I just put in a, I just went back to the Google search there, created a new custom search, popped it in. I used WWI3D themes, so just as a revisit back here, all right, hit add, type your name in your website, .com, go right down to create, get code, and then grab this code right here. Actually, you can just you should be able to grab the whole thing, copy it, and paste it into the Google search. That's what I did. Now it's showing up properly. It wasn't showing up before, so it could have been something with the address or any modification within the Google system, but just using this straight out of the box, it seems to work. So if it did for me anyways, send me your address if it doesn't, and I'll test out your address using my method. Okay? I'm going to zip this back up and send it over to you.